break down further. Last 1 minute. Wow! Kasama pang basket. Basket count, foul number 3. First personal foul number 3. 54 seconds na lang.
Pwede pumasok. Pwede pumasok.
Pag nag-shoot time mo to.
Kasi idol.
Kaya nga.
Five
5-4.
54 seconds.
54.
54 seconds.
54. On back to the ball game. Fifty-four, 54 seconds up, 54 seconds, 5-4.
10 seconds up, 14.
Final shot na natin, 40 tayo sa 40. Sige. O, di ba lang. Wala pa bola, wala pa. Mayroon pa kasuhan. Mahal na mahal. Wala pa bola. Yan. Lumagod ko na yan. Yan na. Okay. Stay music ko lang. Okay, everyone. Ang hirap doon. On the foul. Foul committed by number 17. Isa push. Shoot for yan. All right, for foul ka na. Penalty.
Anay, betul ka? May sumpang sapatos.
49 seconds. 49 seconds. On the first tee. On the first shot. 49 seconds. On Salah.
Tangina, bilit ako nag-stop. It's nga.
Para additional 5 minutes. I-shoot ka para 5 minutes ulit.
On the second shot. Wala pa. Okay. And we got back to shoot. Wala na po may turnout. On 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sana. One more shot na 20. 19 na lang 19. Ball number 17.
5 balls na.
5 fouls.
5 fouls.
Penalty.
Penalty. 19. Penalty mo, penalty.
19.
19. Wala na.
Ay!
14. Ay, isa pa. One person, Salah.
Na, wala pa kayo sumuto.
My jumper, lady jumper.
Moto, galingan mo!
Kulang pa lang isa. Isa pa yung jumper. Jumper doon, mamaya. May isa doon. Okay. 19 seconds.
May ganun lang, is kumashoot.
Okay, begin. Salah.
Penalty.
Ball on number 27. Penalty.
5 fouls, 27.
5 fouls. Lima na, 27, lima. 27, 5 fouls.
11.
11 na lang, 11.
11.
Go, Jamal! Galingan mo!
May over 5. Ito, double OT na naman yan. Pare, tanong mo nga kung timeout kaya pagka-shoot. Yung padalwa.
O, isa na! Isa na lang ang pag-asa.
Pag-shot.
11 na lang, 11. 11 seconds, 11. 11 seconds.
Timeout ko sila pag-shot.
On a foul. 10 seconds na lang, wait lang. Foul play na number 02. Isa holding foul.
5 fouls.
5 fouls. Okay, 5 fouls. Labas. Player lang. Yung nasa na lang. Baka na technical pag eh.
5 fouls ha, 5 fouls.
Number 0 to.
Okay, number 02, 5 fouls.
Two shots.
Okay, 2 shots. 5 fouls, number 02. 5 fouls. Yan. Ang bilis. Okay, 2 shots lang, 2 shots. 10 seconds na lang, 10. 2 shots na lang, 2 shots. Oh.
Ba't ka nag-shot?
Pag-shot. Okay, second shot. Okay. 5. Okay, 2 seconds now. Foul number 9.
Second. Penalty ha.
Okay, second personal foul penalty. Di pa tapos.
2 seconds.
2 seconds lang. May lima na. May 2 seconds lang. Di pa tapos. Tama. 2 seconds. Sala. Pagkakuha ba to? 2 seconds lang. 2 seconds lang. Okay, wala lang foul. 1-2 lang. 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds.
Wala na yun!
Okay, wala pa bola. Wala pa.